Hi, yoga buddies! Welcome to our yoga flow for a fun start to your day. If you like moving, stretching, and starting your day feeling good, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Front knee bent. front elbow resting lightly on thigh, top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Stand tall, lift one leg forward or to the side, holding the big toe. Keep chest lifted and spine long. Alternate between left and right. Stand on one leg. Bend the other leg back and hold your foot or ankle with the hand on the same side. Extend your other arm forward for balance. Open your chest and gently lengthen your body. Alternate between left and right. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. Sit comfortably, taking slow, gentle breaths in and out, feeling calm and ready for the day ahead. Amazing job, yoga buddies! You moved your body, stretched, and started your day in a fun way. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love. See you next time. Namaste.